Bainbow Bobot.
Hello friends, welcome to Bainbow Bobot. Today we'll be making silly banana treats for Halloween. We're going to be making a vampire, a pumpkin, and Frankenstein's monster. For each one, you will need half a banana, colored gelatin, candy eyes, black icing with a fine tip for decorating, and a clean popsicle stick. After you wash your hands, you can start by peeling your bananas. And then we're going to cut them in half. Put a popsicle stick in the cut end of each banana that you're going to be using. For the Frankenstein Monster's banana, you're also going to cut a piece off the top. Put the bananas on some wax paper and put them in the freezer for about 1 hour. And you can eat any leftover banana pieces while you wait. Now it's time to decorate. Make sure your hands are clean and dry. To make the vampire banana, cover it in blue gelatin powder. Attach some candy eyes. And use the icing to draw a mouth with fangs. Use orange gelatin powder for the pumpkin banana and use the icing to decorate it like a jack-o'-lantern. For Frankenstein's Monster banana, roll it in the green gelatin powder. Attach some candy eyes. Use the icing to give him hair, neck bolts, and a frown. Poor little monster. Now the treats are ready to enjoy. Which one will you taste first?
Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.